Why you think I'm doing this bullshit gossip blog anyway?
Now, we all know that the movie Girls Trip was the shiznai, and the person who made the movie pop the most, hands down, was Tiffany Haddish. All facts. Like, if you seen it at a theater, guaranteed the whole place was in stitches every time her parts came on. Like, everybody literally died laughing watching this movie. That girl is comedy. I mean, the whole cast was dope. So shout out to Queen Latifah, Regina Hall, and Jada Pinkett.
X gon' end up with a clap. Bitch, please clap. Been there, done that, had that, and I'm immune to the shit, bitch. So nasty ass, dirty ass, nasty ass husband that fuck Instagram bitches. You gon' mess around and get the clap, bitch. Stupid ass bitches, I hate y'all. And I love you, but I hate you, bitch.
Queen Latifah, Regina Hall, and Jada Pinkett. Oh, speaking of Jada, she is extremely upset that her girl was not nominated for a well-deserved Globe Award. She went on a rant on Twitter where she had the following to say: I have so much to say on why Tiffany Haddish was not nominated for a Globe, but I won't. Actually, I will. Here we go. I'm not upset about Tiffany or Girls Trip not getting the nomination. I'm discouraged about the fact that the Hollywood Foreign Press, Golden Globes, wouldn't even watch the movie. Girls Trip was one of the most successful films this summer, and Tiff was hands down the funniest person on screen in 2017, and we couldn't get eyes on the film or a press conference? How could a nomination happen? And how much more critical acclaim must the movie have to simply get a screening? But yet, Tiff has been asked to present at their ceremony? This isn't about shaming. This is about the need for discussion of an antiquated system. And I dare not invalidate all the many journalists and people from all walks of life who have supported this movie by defining the issue as simply racism. Hollywood has systems in place that must learn to expand its concepts of race, gender equality, and inclusion in regard to its perceptions of art across the board. And then she went on to say, moments like this occur so that we have an opportunity to discuss, recreate, and regenerate old paradigms. It's all about growth, love, and we have to agree with her on that. And regardless if it was because of her race or the excessive ratchetness in the movie, no matter what other races saw the movie, I bet you they were floored. Am I wrong? Anyways, what do y'all think about this? Leave your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more. Also, be sure to like and follow us at facebook.com/PetTeaBlog. And don't forget to hit that bell to join the notification gang. PetTeaBlog.com signing off.